and welcome to this press conference. I'm Constable Chick Bok Bok, and this is Sunny Side Up, who is going to be translating the press conference. This press conference is in relation to the extremely serious crime that has been reported to the chicken police. We've had 2 reports of egg poaching, which to everyone's standard is a rotten act. We believe it has been committed by an eggaholic, but this information may be mislaid. This case really has us scrambled, not boiled, but scrambled. We currently have no one caring about the case, however we will be operating on a shoot to kill basis. We have information that this may have happened on a Friday. As the chickens keep laying the evidence, Mr. Chook will have to undertake multiple examinations. We have spoken to the head of the coop, and all he has been able to tell us so far is buck, 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 buck. We're currently trying to have that translated. Although we have some excellent evidence, the evidence may never hatch. But on this note, if you see this guy anywhere suspicious, call 0800 Bok Bok. Thank you for your time. Chicken Bok Bok, we've had some substantial accidents for the chicken thefts. We're currently about to execute a search warrant. Clear. Oh, shit on the walls. Clear. I can do with a clean. Front door secure. Lounge clear. There you go.
Don't point fucking do my voice!